Hey coders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change the theme in VS Code so your editor looks exactly the way you want, dark, light or something totally unique. So let's dive in. First of all, method 1 is to open the VS Code Studio Code and open the file whichever you want, or you can create a new one. I'll open this right now. After opening your code, then first step is to command palette. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows. Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Search bar will open. Then in Mac you can press Command plus CMD plus Shift plus P. Then type color theme. Type your color theme. Then select here preferences color theme. After that, scroll through the list and click the theme you like. As you can see, here are many themes. Scroll whichever you like. I'll select this red one. And another step is to setting menu. Go to the file. Here you will see the preferences, and here choose the color theme. You will see the theme option and choose the color theme and choose whichever you like. Like this also you can choose the theme. And another step is to install new themes. Click the extension icon at the right side. Here you can type here themes like One Dark Pro or Dracula and install and activate them instantly. And that's how you change the theme in VS Code to match your style and make coding more enjoyable. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comment which theme you are rocking right now. I'll see you in the next one.